Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a natural hair straightening mask that's simple, effective, and made with very powerful ingredients that not only straightens your hair, but also nourishes and softens it. Let's dive right in. Ingredients: Flaxseed Gel, 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, 1 glass of water 2. Rice paste, 4 to 5 tablespoons of rice. 2 glasses of water. Other ingredients: 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Prepare flaxseed gel. In a pot, add 2 tablespoons of flaxseed to 1 glass of water. Boil the mixture until it forms a smooth, gel-like consistency. Once the gel is ready, remove it from the heat and immediately strain it into a bowl to capture the smooth gel. Benefit: Flaxseed gel is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and promotes smooth, silky hair. It strengthens hair and improves elasticity, reducing frizz for a straighter look. Prepare rice paste. In a separate pot, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of rice and 2 glasses of water. Boil until the rice is soft and slightly mushy, with a little water still present. Let it cool, then blend the rice with 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt until smooth. Strain this mixture to achieve a creamy, lump-free texture. Benefits: Rice provides amino acids that strengthen the hair shaft, adding a natural shine, while yogurt conditions the hair, softening and smoothing it for a straightened effect. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to the rice mixture and mix well. Benefits: Honey is a natural humectant that locks in moisture, while coconut oil penetrates the hair deeply to prevent damage and smoothen frizz. Finally, add the flaxseed gel to the rice mixture and mix everything well until smooth and creamy. Your hair straightening mask is ready. 1. Apply this mask generously from roots to tips on damp, clean hair. 2. Leave it on for 1 to 2 hours for maximum effect. 3. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and follow with a gentle shampoo if needed. Storage: Store any leftover mixture in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Usage frequency: For best results, use this mask once a week. With regular use, you'll notice smoother, straighter hair with a natural shine. Give this natural hair straightening mask a try and let us know your results in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful.